Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial on Zendrop. Today I will show you how to set up Zendrop's auto fulfillment so orders flow from Shopify to your suppliers automatically without manual clicks involved, okay? Now the first thing that you must do of course is you must log in to your Zendrop account, to your Zendrop store here, and you must go to the orders menu which is on the left tab. Let's click on it. First of all, you have the option of branding, which I show you in previous tutorials, but you basically have to come here and, enable or create like a thank you card. But what we're going to focus on today is the auto fulfillment option. Okay. So I want you to decide on whether you want auto fulfillment, which immediately is going to send each new order to the supplier, or if you're opting for a daily fulfillment, which batches unfulfilled orders and processes them at 7 p.m. EST each day. For a hands-free operation, I recommend that you toggle on auto fulfillment. Okay, so I want you to click this slider on here. All right. When you actually turn this on, Zendrop is going to forward each paid Shopify order to the supplier as soon as it's received. And you will see basically the order status update in real time if you travel to the orders menu, as I said before, without manual clicks needed. Now, it's important to notice here that the auto fulfillment always going to process orders with a financial status other than pending, meaning that it must be completed. Okay, so the payment must be captured. If an order remains pending without a transaction recorded, Zendrop will actually skip it. You must manually fulfill those to avoid shipping delays. Okay, this is very important. So always check your orders menu and make sure that you check all of the zips and all of the basically products. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, and thank you so much guys. Like I said before, always make sure to manually check your orders to see that everything is working and that the system is working, even if the auto fulfillment option is checked. Okay, thank you guys.